thought I'd just zoom in on those manhole covers with the orange dots on them. A couple of chaps in orange coats turned up and they lifted those covers and they looked down them and they put a tape measure down them, and then they checked something on their mobile devices, and they ticked a box on their mobile device to say that they looked at these particular holes, which they assure me are in very good order. And then they went and they did the same in the road. Yeah, I guess they care about things like sewers, and with weather like this, I guess we ought to be checking sewers and things. But, you know, it's August.